Hi viewers, welcome to Ambergate railway station in Derbyshire. It's a single line track. That way goes to Derby and Nottingham, and that way goes to Cromford and Matlock. There's a train every half an hour. Normally 2 coaches, East Midlands Railway. Let's have a look around, shall we? Got some flowers here. More flowers down there. It's a pretty good station actually. Single line track. Derwent Valley line. There we go. The Derwent Valley. Explore the Derwent Valley. Look. Matlock up there. Matlock Bath, Cromford. What's down the well? Ambergate. Belper. Dunfield and where's that one? Derby Station. Your adventure starts here. It's a nice sunny day, so it's not a bad day. Lovely. Next train should be from that direction, I believe, about 11:59 a.m. going that way to Matlock. I'm not far. It's only about 10 miles, maybe less than that. I'm not sure. Won't take long. Welcome to Ambergate railway station, Derbyshire.